Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I prepared my coconut curried shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Guys, please note that all of my ingredients were pre-prepared, including my shrimp. I have already added the curry to the shrimp. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Onion, scallion, carrots, my seasoned shrimp. I also add a little pimento, thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper, my coconut milk, bell peppers, red, green and yellow, and vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my onion, my scallion, and I'm just gonna stir that together. And my bell peppers. My thyme and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, I also added garlic as well. Now I'm gonna add my carrot. And I'm just gonna combine everything together. Now I'm gonna add my seasoned shrimp. And my coconut milk. Guys, we don't want to overcook our shrimp and our vegetables, so we're just gonna leave it there for a couple of minutes and then remove it from the flame. And there you have it, guys, my curried coconut shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.